Today we'll be learning how to log into Little Sponges using ClassLink. Start by logging into the Little Elm ISD website by going to littleelmisd.net.
Once on the website, we can click on the search icon in the top right hand corner and type in Lobo Hub. Under the search results, we're interested in the first option that says Lobo Hub. Under this hub, we have the option for ClassLink Launchpad. We'll select that and it will take us to the ClassLink login page. From here, you can either type in the student's username and password, or more simply, you can use the QR code by selecting the icon down at the bottom. We'll select that. Here you have the option of scanning your student's QR code using your camera.
Please request this information from your homeroom teacher if you do not have it at home. Once logged into ClassLink, your Launchpad will appear where you can select Little Sponges from the list of icons. To make accessing Little Sponges even easier, students and teachers can favorite the Little Sponges icon on their Launchpad. To do this, simply hover over the icon, right-click, and select Add to Favorites. You'll notice that you get a confirmation that it's been added to the favorites, and it'll now appear in the bottom dock of the Launchpad, where you can simply click on it to launch Little Sponges. Once logged in through ClassLink, students will be presented with their course selector page since they have access to multiple courses. They'll select the course that they're interested in, and now they'll be presented with the map to navigate their adventures. Thank you for taking the time to learn about ClassLink Login at Home. If you have any questions, you can contact us directly at www.little-sponges.com/contact-us. Alternatively, you can reach out to your homeroom teacher for further questions. Thank you.